Hey, Alex here with TerraX. Today I'm going to show you guys how to install the charge groove. So when you receive your charge groove, you're receiving 5 pieces. You're receiving a right body, a left body, a right and a left wing, and a back, where there is the 5th part of the charge groove, which is the center piece. Then you will receive a total of 4 screws, 2 longer ones and 2 shorter ones. So the 2 longer ones will go on the center piece and the 2 shorter ones will go on to the wings. Then you will receive a trim tool and a hex key. So the first thing you want to do, and it's extremely crucial, that this front lip right here is sitting in this gap right here. So first thing you want to do, if your gap is quite tight, you want to stick your trim tool in, and you want to take, it doesn't matter which side you actually start, one of your bodies, make sure it's lined up with the rear groove of the Mercedes dash. Make sure the front groove is nested in the front gap, and now push the rear down. Now repeat with the second side. Make sure the front groove is groove is in the gap, and then just push the rear down, and this should nest the second side. So the next thing you want to do is get your center block and your 2 longer screws, and you need your hex keys. So what you want to do is position your center block like this, and then take one of the longer screws and then just start screwing this screw in. Push it down in the middle. Okay, now we'll take the second one. Okay. Next step is to install the wings. It doesn't matter which side you start on. You just basically position the wing. Take the shorter screw and start screwing this screw in. Like that. Now repeat on the second side. There we go. Okay, and that's all done now.